Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm crowned in Coils, and today I'm sharing a full wash day routine using the Franck Provost Expert Nutri-Frizz range. It is specially formulated for dry hair, natural hair, and also our Afro textured hair. I've been testing these products on my follicles and I can't wait to show you how I achieved moisturized, frizz-free defined finger coils that last all week. So let's jump straight into it. So I'm starting with the Expert Nutri-Frizz shampoo. Their formula is sulfate-free, which means it gently cleanses my scalp and hair without stripping away my natural oils, something that's super important for dry natural hair like mine. What I love most is how creamy and nourishing it feels from the first lather. It's enriched with aloe vera and mango butter, two powerhouse ingredients known for intense hydration and softness. So I massage it into my scalp to just get that clean feeling, but my hair still feels soft and manageable. It instantly adds a boost of moisture. The brand claims plus 40% more nutrition, and honestly it shows and I love it. After rinsing the shampoo, it's now time for the Expert Nutri-Frizz mask. This is the hero product for me. It's a thick, rich treatment designed for very dry, frizzy or curly hair. It gives plus 84% hydration and helps reduce hair breakage by up to 49%. I apply it all over my hair and it really feels so amazing. After applying, I leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes before I rinse it out.
Okay, I'm just going to wash it right away. Okay? Banana. Just send the banana
After rinsing it out, my hair feels very soft and deeply nourished. This mask also offers up to 2 days of anti-frizz protection, which is a big win for keeping my curls in place during the week. Now that my hair is clean and conditioned, I move on to styling with the Curl Definition Cream. This product is designed also for curly, coily, and frizzy hair types, and trust me, it's a game changer. I really loved it. It gives moisture, reduces breakage, and also helps define curls without weighing them down or making them feel crunchy. I apply it in small sections and start creating finger curls, simply twisting each curl around my finger to define my natural curl pattern. The cream has the perfect balance of moisture and hold, so each curl looks juicy and bouncy at the end. What I love is how easy it is to work through my strands. It doesn't leave any white residue at the end, and it makes styling feel like self-care. This is a great step if you want definition without gels or heavy stylers. Once I finish all my finger curls, I grab my blow dryer and I use it on medium heat with a diffuser attachment. Because the cream already offers heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius, I don't need to add another product, which is a huge time saver. I gently dry my curls section by section. And instead of reapplying this cream in between wash days, I keep my curls fresh by using the Nutri-Frizz Curl Reviving Spray. This is my go-to for just reactivating my curls that get smashed while I sleep or under my bonnet. And it hydrates, defines, and refreshes my curls in just a few spritzes. No build-up and no stickiness. And here's the final result of this wash day routine. Defined moisturized curls that bounce, zero crunch, no frizz, and they're soft, and I know they're going to last throughout the week. If you've been struggling with dry hair, breakage, or undefined curls, I definitely recommend giving this range a try. It's salon quality care but at home, no harsh ingredients, and it actually works for Afro hair. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And let me know in the comments, have you tried this products before? What's your favorite part of your wash day routine? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.